Hi guys, I'm literally melting right now. It's so hot outside, but I closed the door. I just want to make a chit chat type of video because I have so many topics I want to talk about, and I finally planned the day I want to film. So yeah, anyway, the topic I want to talk about is how to use our pain in a more better and productive way. I've got many heartbroken experiences these days by external things we cannot get out of the effective environment. Shit happens. I'm trying to do my best to embrace, but I'm a human, so I feel pain, and the pain, literally I can feel some kind of burning feeling in my chest, especially this heart area. It's quite interesting because hurtful feelings, pain, that turns into resentment, sometimes it turns into anger. I mean, resentment and anger is basically similar. They also turn into doubt and also turns into sadness, depression. But this is, I feel, kind of a lot of anger and resentment, to be honest. I feel like why this shit is happening to me, because my head is always full of my personal problems, egoic stuff. I know. I feel like nobody understands me. Also feel very confused, and the pains I've got from external things, others, experiences, situations, that just keep accumulating, and that really bothers me. I'm not the kind of person that who lash out my angers and resentment. I know how to deal with them. We cannot get out of that emotions, that hurtful feelings. I mean, aka pain. Pain comes from different factors, but usually that comes from external things. The external things make us feel doubtful about ourselves, and they also make us feel unworthy. I just don't want to know what the cause of your pain and my pain. I don't want to compare that, but I don't want to deal with how that pain comes from, what's the origin, because by analyzing that, the pain just keeps growing, and I just feel that pain and anger, sadness again, and that makes me sad again. So I don't want to analyze that. I just want to simply accept that and always think of how can I use this energy into more productive and more healthy ways. So I want to talk about that topic, so I hope you guys like it. Anyway, let's dive into it. It's working on, so I'm just gonna tie my hair. I'm not a big fan of tying my hair because I don't know, I just look like a teenager. Oh, but I feel a lot better. The reason why I deal with this topic, some words from others, it really hurts sometimes. Think about people who you care about, they kind of give a hurtful word. They really lower my self-esteem and just start doubting myself a lot and feel really bad, to be honest. Yeah, but I don't want to go deep dive into. There are so many ways we can use the energy because every action comes from our emotions. Because think about the word emotion, moving. So emotion is not really bad. Some emotions are more pleasing, but all emotions have kind of energy to move ourselves. But if the target is not right thing, you know, we just spend our time on shitty stuff. I know some people cut their arms because they don't want to feel the pain, so they just choose to feel physical pain instead of psychological pain. Some people kill themselves because of the pain from others or from by themselves. Those low self-esteem, actually that has been caused by external things since they were young, so they are not really conscious, including me. Definitely all we have some pains in our heart, and I don't know, just I hope I'm not that much f***ed up I hurt somebody, and if they are, I'm sorry about that. I'm not perfect. Definitely at first don't ignore the pain and accept the pain and feel the pain. Yeah, it's universal feeling, it's okay. Don't feel bad about this bad feeling. That's my pet peeves, but I do the same thing. So basically this video is all about talking to myself, but I just want some people to find some, you know, comfort, whatever, connection. Yeah, so understand you're upset to your pains, and then it's really important just use the energy to build up yourself or build up your life. I always think of whenever I feel pain and kind of sad because of those painful experiences and painful feelings, I always think of things I really want in life. You have your own desirable future. I had my own, too long to share in this video, but I had my own. Oh, if I use this emotion, this energy to make the dreams come true, I can make something, I can make it. So I told myself, oh, I'm always using my pain to build up myself. I want to build up my life instead of keeps being stuck in that emotion. Another way of seeing the pain for me, it's gonna be really helpful for me to understand others' pain, so I can be more compassionate person. I just being really stuck about my problems and my personal issues, so I just don't care about others. And so I can break my ego a little bit apart. That's also a great way to think about pains. And the other thing I used to, okay, I just want to cross my legs. Yeah, the other thing is I just use the energy to create something. It's really powerful strategy. I just need something to numb my mind. I read books or I make YouTube videos like this. So this is, I make a lot of YouTube videos and I have a lot of fun. Because I just need something to relieve all my pains from my heart. By doing that activity, you're just gonna forget your pain. And I can see the tangible, some creatures I've made. So I kind of feel better about that. And the other thing is I exercise, and sometimes I really hate doing exercise. After finishing my cardio session, I ran a lot. I was totally sweating. I felt like amazing. After finishing my workout, okay, I made it. I'm so proud of myself. Just move your body and being sweaty and take a shower and have good food, walk around, talk, just basic human things. Do those kind of things. Just don't sitting around at home and scrolling down your Instagram, whatever, but that's gonna make you feel worse. Promise me. Been there, done that. I'm trying to not see the Instagram these days. Many people are on vacation and I didn't go on vacation for some reasons, but I really appreciate that because I can make a lot of YouTube videos and I'm trying to make more branded content. So yeah, hopefully that works. And the last thing I want to mention, I cry out. I'm not the kind of person to complain, blame others. I really hate that. I feel like I'm a victim if I blaming others. I can blame, I just don't want to spread bad vibes. So I always write down that on journal. Everybody has their own shadow. I don't want to hide that, but use that energy in a positive way. That's all I want. That's the thing we should pursue, I guess. So I cry whenever I feel so much pain and feel anxious and feel angry, like feel really frustrated. Yeah, so I just want to combine all those feelings as pains. All the bad toxics from my body while doing a meditation and while doing some yogas in my room. That's really emotionally beneficial for me. So highly recommend. If you are the type of person who depend on others, yeah, call your friends or your parents who care about you. But that's not my thing. That doesn't work really well. I don't know, maybe I have a big ego, but I like to use the energy and create this kind of videos or make myself better. I just don't want to waste all my time by moaning, bitching, being stuck in that kind of depression. I've been there before. I don't want to go back to that dark period. So that's all I want to say for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, and if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give me a thumbs up and hit the notification button so you can hang out more and more. I'm not that perfect. I'm not a guru, so I'm not sure I can give advice, but I just talk about my own experience. My video is gonna be helpful for some people. I feel like I talked too long, so it's time to wrap this video up. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.